Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your iPhone with your MacBook Air. First, connect your iPhone to your MacBook Air using a USB cable. Once connected, open Finder on your Mac. You will see your iPhone listed in the sidebar under Locations. Click on your iPhone to access its sync settings and begin managing your content. This process ensures your data is always up to date across both devices. After selecting your iPhone in Finder, you'll see various tabs for different content types. You can choose to sync music, movies, TV shows, podcasts, audiobooks, books, photos, and files. Simply click on each tab and select the items you wish to transfer. You can also enable automatic syncing for certain categories, ensuring your content is always current without manual intervention. Beyond syncing content, Finder also allows you to back up your iPhone. Under the General tab, you'll find options to back up all the data on your iPhone to your MacBook Air. It's highly recommended to encrypt your local backups with a password for better security. If you ever need to, you can easily restore your iPhone from one of these backups, ensuring your data is safe. For even greater convenience, you can enable wireless syncing. In the General tab, check the box for Show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. Once enabled, your iPhone will appear in Finder when both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, allowing you to sync without a cable. This makes keeping your devices updated incredibly easy. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.